One of the opposition political parties in Nigeria, the Action People's Party, is calling on President Bola Tinubu to urgently order an investigation into the alleged bombing that killed one person in Port Harcourt, the River State capital. At a briefing in Abuja, the opposition party expressed worry over what it described as silence from the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, the River State Commissioner of Police, Olatunji Disu, and the Department of State Services (DSS) since Tuesday of the incident.
Silence of NSA, IGP, CP, DSS over deadly blast by pro-Wike protesters in Rivers, a stain on Tinubu government's image. The Action People's Party has said the silence of the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, the Rivers State Commissioner of Police, Olatunji Disu, and the Department of State Service, DSS, over the deadly blast by pro-Wike protesters is becoming a stain on the image of President Bola Tinubu-led government. It is said through government SYMFONI is the Chief Security Officer of Rivers State, but lacks powers to command the office of the NSA, police, and DSS. Only President Tinubu, who is the Commander-in-Chief of Armed Forces, can direct the heads of these security agencies to bring those behind the dastardly act to order.
The party called on the federal government to be swift in action and not wait until the security situation in the state gets worse.
We as an opposition party are worried about the continued silence of the NSA, the IGP, the CP, and the DSS since Tuesday, when protesters believed to be supporters of the Minister of FCT, Wike, allegedly detonated an explosive device in Rivers State, killing one person and injuring several others. Ordinarily, we would have kept quiet in order not to meddle into the affairs of what looked like clash of interest of the main opposition, PDP, and its nearest twin ruling, the APC. But as one of the vibrant opposition in the country, we are living up to our responsibility of holding the government and the two bigger political parties to account. Therefore, we make bold to say that the prolonged silence of these security agencies, apart from emboldening the supposed Wike supporters to further foment trouble in Rivers, their actions, or rather inactions, is a dent on the image of the Tinubu government because it shows careless attitude to security and welfare of the people of Nigeria from any state of the Federation. We therefore call on President Tinubu to rise up to the letters and spirit of the oath he took to uphold the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
It was alleged that supporters of the former governor and Minister of FCT, Wike, detonated the explosion for political gains, which has since been denied.